Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the exact playback error shown on your Android device. Open a file inspector or media info app to check the file extension and codec. Note the resolution and bitrate because Android may struggle with very high values. Try the file in VLC or MX Player to confirm whether software decoding can play it. If VLC plays the file, the issue is likely codec or hardware decoding. If no player can play it, the file may be corrupted. Write down the codec name like H265 or HEVC for later conversion steps. Install VLC or MX Player from the Play Store and test playback again immediately. In MX Player, enable software decoding or try the codec pack to force playback. If the container is unsupported, rename or remux the file to MP4 using a remux app on Android. Reduce resolution to 1080p or 720p and lower bitrate under 10 Mbps for older devices. Use an Android converter or move the file to a PC and transcode H265 to H264 with handbrake. Confirm playback after each change to isolate the effective fix. For reliable results, use handbrake on a PC to transcode to H264 video and AAC audio in an MP4 container. Set a target resolution like 1920x 1080 and a bitrate around 5 to 8 Mbps for good quality. If files are larger than 4 GB, consider splitting or using XFAT formatted storage for fewer issues. Keep Android updated and install available codec plugins to improve built-in playback compatibility. For many files, use batch convert tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.